You want a daily practice that works. You also want it to honor Nichiren, not water it down, not dress it up. Many videos make Gongyo feel complex or secret. Yours doesn't have to. In a few minutes, you'll see a clean path you can use tonight. Here's the promise. You will learn what the practice is, 2 short readings and 1 chant, what each part means in simple words, why Nichiren cared so much, and how to do it without guessing. We keep this video easy to digest. You will see just enough to feel sure and safe to practice on your own. You will also see where to get the NMRKOB's Gongyo book. Buying it helps you get started and helps us continue spreading the pure teachings of Nichiren and help you. Thank you for supporting this work. Why this book? It keeps only what Nichiren set for daily life, the 2 short readings and the chant, nothing extra, no ranks, no middle person. This makes practice belong to you, an ordinary person with a real life and real needs. If you've ever thought, am I doing this right? This video is for you. We talk in clear, plain words. We keep the steps short. We focus on cause and effect. You chant with faith, your courage grows, your wisdom wakes up. Next, you'll learn the chant in simple terms, what it says, what it does for you, and how to start. You speak 6 sounds. Namu Myoho Renge Kyo. This is called Daimoku. Namu means devotion. You give your heart. Click the label or video description to understand why Namu and not Num. Myoho Renge Kyo is the name of the universal law. When you chant these words with faith, you walk the direct path to awakening. How do you do it? Sit up. Face the Gohanzan if you have one. If not, face a clean, quiet spot. There is no set length. 5 minutes is okay. 15 is okay. What matters is your sincere voice. Why did Nichiren make this so important? He taught that your voice is powerful. When you chant, your voice does the Buddha's work. Your sound wakes up courage, wisdom, and care inside you. You prove it in daily life. What will you feel? Some days you feel strong. Some days you feel tired. Both are okay. Each honest chant plants a cause that cannot be broken. Keep going. Tiny help with saying the words. Namu Myoho Renge Kyo. Clear sounds, steady breath. Let the rhythm come. How this helps you tonight. Pick a time. Sit. Take 1 breath in, 1 breath out. Start with Namu Myoho Renge Kyo. Steady and clear. Stop when you feel ready. End with a quiet thank you. You can get the official NMRKOB Gongyo book now. It guides you step by step. When you buy, you get a clean start, and you help us make more free helpful videos for everyone, and at the same time, help to spread Nichiren's teachings. Next, your first reading. What it teaches in plain words, why it matters, and how it shapes your day. This first reading tells you 2 big things in simple words. First, the Buddha's wisdom is very deep. Because people are different, he teaches in many helpful ways so you can understand and grow. Think of a great coach who changes the drill so you can get it. Same truth, different doorway. Second, it says every part of life shows the law, how things look, act, and change from start to finish. In plain words, your day, your choices, your results, all connect. When you see this clearly, you make better causes and get better effects. Why Nichiren cared? He wanted you, an ordinary person, to reach Buddhahood directly. No rank, no robe, no go-between. This reading opens that door because it teaches in ways people can grasp and shows that all people can become Buddhas. How you use it? Sit steady. Face the Gohonzon if you have one. If not, face a clean, respectful spot. There is no set length. Read with a clear, calm voice. Why this belongs in your day? When you read it, you train your mind to notice cause and effect, to act with wisdom, and to care for people around you. Over time, you'll feel more courage and clarity in daily life. This second reading tells you something strong and kind. The Buddha's life is not far away. It is timeless and it runs through all living beings, including you. Think of a deep river under the ground. You may not always see it, but it feeds the fields above. When you read this section, you learn to trust that your life is wide and brave, not small or broken. What it teaches you in simple words: the highest life is always present right now. That life is inside you, not only in a temple or a person in robes. When you face fear, loss, or doubt, you can still draw from this big, endless life. Your daily actions, work, family, study, can shine with this life when you decide to act with courage and care. Why Nichiren cared? He wanted you, an ordinary person, to touch this directly. No middle person, no ranks. By reading this section and then chanting, you connect to the law and prove it in your day. Your wisdom wakes up, your compassion grows. You start to feel, I can face this. How you use it? Sit steady, breathe easy, read in a clear voice. If a word is new, keep going. Do not rush, let the meaning rise over time. You want a practice that is clear, true, and yours. Some versions out there make things hard. They add extra steps, special roles, or rules you don't need. They can make you feel small, like you must wait for someone in a robe to do it for you. That is not the spirit Nichiren taught. He wanted you, an ordinary person, to reach Buddhahood directly. Here is what those extra parts do wrong in simple words. They add ceremony that can hide the point. You end up watching a show instead of building your life. They add middle people who stand between you and the law. You were told your voice is not enough. They add interpretations that bend the message. The practice becomes a brand, not the Buddha's law. They add fixed counts and speeds that make you tense. You worry about perfect, not about sincere. Here is what our version does right. It keeps only the 2 short readings and the chant, nothing else. It says in plain words, no additions, no insertions, no reinterpretations. It belongs to ordinary people. Your one voice is enough, no intermediary. It helps you act now. Sit, read, chant, and prove it in your day. You can start tonight. Keep it simple. Here is your easy flow. Step 1. Set your space. Sit where you feel steady. A chair is fine. Silence your phone. If you have a Gohonzon, face it. If not, face a clean spot with respect. Take 1 slow breath in and out. Step 2. Open your book. Place 2 small tabs so you can jump fast. Reading 1 and reading 2. No need to memorize anything. Step 3. Begin your chant. Say, Namu Myoho Renge Kyo. Use a clear, calm voice. You do not need a set time. Even 1 minute is okay. Stop when you feel ready. Step 4. Read the first section. Read in a steady voice. This part teaches you that the Buddha uses many helpful ways so you can understand and grow. If a word is new, keep going. Meaning builds over time. Step 5. Read the second section. Read slowly. This part reminds you the highest life is already inside you. You can draw on it every day. Step 6. Close with chant. Chant again for a short time. End with a simple vow. Today I bring courage to work. Or, today I help one person. Bow in your heart. You are done. Now make it real. Tap the left video to see your simple 3-part practice for tonight. You'll learn the chant, the 2 readings, and a rhythm you can keep. Start your first flow. Tell us in the comments if you're subscribed to us and why.